What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. So in this one we're gonna be installing a Torque Solution front engine mount on my Evo 10. The car is gonna be up in the air already. We're also gonna be doing a oil change on the car. So finally got the car up in the air. The front engine mount is gonna be right down here. Show you guys that guy right there. So we're gonna have to tackle it from the bottom, and there is a shit tons of plastic that I have to take off underneath the car. So I have to take off all these plastic to get to that. So let's get to work. Alright, so these two bolts are super rusty. All these are super rusty. And looks, I already break two of these already. They just so rusty that, you know, just broke the plastic. Alright, so yeah, I broke these two bolts right here. They're just way too rusty, so I'm not gonna risk breaking the rest. So I just did all the plastic clips in here, and I think I should be able to access the mount now. It's just right here. As you guys can see, it's just gonna be this one bolt on the top, two on the bottom here, and hopefully that comes off. So yeah, okay, so I managed to get the motor mount out. Pretty easy. It's actually a lot easier than removing all these plastic clips underneath here and breaking these two on the top. See, so yeah, it's pretty easy. All you have to do is just undo. There's only 3 bolts holding on the mount, so one here, 2 on the bottom. I did those 2, and then just remove it from the top. So just like that, the old one comes out, and just comparing it to the Torque Solution one, pretty beefy. Alright, so the new Torque Solution front motor mount or transmission mount is in. It's pretty straightforward. It's a pretty easy install. I already torqued them down nice and tight, so now we're just gonna have to put all these plastic back together and drain the oil, put new oils in the motor, and we should be good for a test drive. And just like that, the Torque Solution front motor mount is installed. All the plastic cover and plastic clip is back on. The installation was pretty easy, other than the 2 broken bolts. Now just need to top up the engine oil, and we should be good to start the car. I like to use Rotella T6 by Shell. Just a personal preference. And yes, this will be it for this video. Stay tuned for my review of the Torque Solution front motor mount in the next one.